This is Andy from SIPUXIN machinery, and here it is the 3-ton vacuum mixing machines. Okay, now I will introduce you the machine details. Follow me. And this machine is the single layer, not have heating. And here we choose the 304 material platform and the stairs, waterproof. And here, this machine is the totally explosion proof. This is the explosion proof control panel. Okay. Because this machine is explosion proof, so we need to use the screw to fix the panel. Okay, and here it is the control panel inside. Here you need to connect the 3 5 lines and 1 0 line. And here we already mark which electric wire for which function. And for this electric wire, before delivery we will separate, so you can connect the wire according to the mark. Okay, here you can see for the panel we choose the Siemens brand. Okay. For this control panel is the totally waterproof. Okay, after we connect the electric wire well, and here these 3 lines will show on. And here it is the low cell system panel. For this machine here, you can see we already connect the low cell system, so it can show how many kilogram material you put into this tank. And here it is the button to control the mixer, vacuum pump, and the emulsifying pump. And this is the emergency stop button. Okay, now I open the control panel to show. Okay, and here it is the control panel. We will press into the page, and here you can select the language. Okay, and for this page you can control the mixing speed and the mixing time. Okay, and here we'll have the lighting button and the CIP cleaning and the CIP return valve. If we want to open the mixer, we just press the mixer button, and here press the set button to control the mixing speed. Now I set to the 33, confirm, and here I set to 1 minute. Okay. And here, open the button. You may. Here you can see already start mixing. You can check the inside effect. Okay, and here we also dynamic to show the mixing effect. And here have the discharge valve and the CIP cleaning valve. So before you start the CIP cleaning, you need to open this valve.